Santiago Chapel. It's the feast day.
Thanks giving Mass for all the blessings received
morning, happy
offered
fiesta.
by Salcedo family.
It's a very windy day. It's so windy.
Mass for the souls of
Happy feast day, St. James, Santiago. Makio.
Kay English kita kay English ang vlogging.
Kami ko makio. It's a very windy day at St. James Place. We are here waiting for the Father.
Igual tulad natin sa inyo, He is great because of His humility. The second is, por medio del servicio. No? Hindi si tabla kasi servidor to bago yung dito yung estado na vida. No, mira to si Jesus. Kapag bisita ni Kun Marta pati Kun Maria, di ba yabe yun? Mary has chosen the better part. Pero may yabe Kun Marta naman no si Posa Tutase. Focus na literally. Importante kami ng trabaho. Di ba yung mga protestante na kasi sila sola fide? Faith alone will save you. If you believe in God, you will be saved. Ito nasa pag-este. O sa yata si St. James, show me your word, show me your faith, and I will show you my words. Yata ilin ay pag-ito na. Those who wanted to become great, they must be the servant of all.
Look at our brother, Ray Tarosa. He is being interviewed by, I don't know, but look at him. We cannot hear what he is talking about.
Maraming po. At higit sa lahat, ako pinapapasalamat sa aming